Our project is wireless notice board using Raspberry Pi. In this system, HTML is used to present the notice, and this HTML output can be displayed on large screens like computer monitors by a web browser running on the Raspberry Pi. This notice can be easily set or changed from anywhere in the world. Now we will demonstrate how it works. This is our Raspberry Pi. We are using 12-volt adapter as power source. We will use this monitor as notice board. And it is our remote area device. From here we will send notices. For this we have to open Python 3 module, then we will go to notice board directory. At first we will show the necessary files, and from where we will run these files. Then we will run the Python file. In this way we can show our notices on the monitor. As we have already set animation format, each notice will round up for 10 seconds. It is our remote area device. From here we will modify the pictures used for displaying notice.
So we are opening our local device directory. These are our images which we will display in our notice. In the right side it is the directory of Raspbian system. Here we will select static folder. Here we will exchange our index.html folder. For displaying new images we have to add the titles of new images here.
Here 2 more lines are added to show these 2 new images. Then after refreshing it we have to drag and drop our new HTML file here. We will delete our previous HTML file. Now if we run our Python file app.py to reload the web page, we will see total 4 notices in the display. It is our first notice. It is the second one. It is the third one. And it is the fourth one. Each notice will round up for 10 seconds. Thank you all for watching our video.